It's fundamental to learn how to transfer videos from PC to iPhone without errors. Okay, this comprehensive guide will walk you through several options, providing clear step-by-step instructions to make the transmission trouble-free. Way 1. How to transfer videos from PC to iPhone via iOS transfer. As you might know, iOS devices only support video formats like MP4, M4V, and MOV. When transferring videos from PC to iPhone using third-party software, ensure they remain playable. iOS transfer is your best choice. How to transfer large videos from PC to iPhone with iOS transfer. Step 1. Run iOS transfer and link your iPhone to your computer. Step 2. Add videos to your iPhone. Step 3. Transfer videos from PC to iPhone right away. Way 2. How to send videos from PC to iPhone via File Explorer. Using Windows File Explorer to transfer video files from your PC to your iPhone could be considered the most old-school approach. No third-party software is required for this method, and all you need is a USB Lightning cable. Way 3. How to move videos from PC to iPhone using iCloud. To transfer videos from your computer to your iPhone, you can pick Apple's iCloud service, which is compatible with both Apple and Windows devices. Way 4. How to transfer videos from computer to iPhone with iTunes. iTunes serves as a solution for various iPhone tasks, functioning as a media player, media library, and management utility. To transfer videos from your PC to your iPhone, make sure you have the latest version of iTunes installed. Way 5. How to get videos from computer to iPhone with VLC Media Player. As a versatile cross-platform application, the VLC Media Player seamlessly works with both PCs and iPhones. By using VLC for iPhone, you can easily share videos wirelessly between your device and computer. Way 6. How to send large videos from computer to iPhone via Google Drive. Google Drive enables effortless video transfers from your computer to your iPhone. Simply upload videos via the website or desktop app, then access and download them on your iPhone using the drive.